Hi, this is Nina with Nina Ross Business Solutions, outlining the steps needed to find an eligible lender for the Small Business Paycheck Protection Program, or the PPP loan. Go to your internet browser and type in sba.gov/virus. From there, you need to click Coronavirus Funding Options. From there, click here to learn more about available SBA loans. Now, here is where they're going to list all of the loans that they have available. The one you want is the PPP, Paycheck Protection Program. And you'll see where it says apply for the program, find a lender. Put in your zip code and click search. The available lenders within your zip code will appear. From there, you select one of the lenders. My client and I selected Allegiance Bank in Houston, Texas. There's the phone number, address, and all of that. Well, what you need to do now is go to the website for the lender that you chose. Again, in our case, Allegiance Bank. You will go to the website of the lender you chose. There's Allegiance Bank website, and look at the bottom. Allegiance Bank is ready to begin the application process for the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. Start your preliminary application for the Paycheck Protection Program. Contact us. Give it a click. We submitted our information, and we are now in the queue to start the lending process. Some of the banks, some of the credit unions that are participating in the program are ready on their websites. Some are not. If you have any questions, call the eligible lender that you selected. And if you don't get a response there, go to another lender in your area. Please keep in mind that the guidelines on this program are changing daily. So I suggest that you continue to visit the websites of the eligible lenders and make sure you have your information ready. As I have more information available, I'll get it out to you as fast as I can during these incredibly unprecedented times. Thanks for watching.